In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your calendar in Google Calendar. Exporting your calendar is really useful if you want to back up your events, move them to another account, or import them into another calendar app. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar is open, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click that gear. This icon is where you control most of your Google Calendar preferences. After you click the gear, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can adjust everything from time zones to notification preferences. For now, we're only interested in the tools for importing and exporting calendars. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Scroll through that sidebar until you find the section named Import and Export. Click on Import and Export to open the options related to moving calendar data in and out of Google Calendar. Once you're on the Import and Export page, look for the Export area. Here, Google gives you the option to export your calendars as a downloadable file. This file is typically in an .ics or a compressed .zip format, which is widely supported by other calendar applications. Click on the Export button. When you click Export, your browser will start downloading a file that contains your calendar data. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file, or it may go directly into your default downloads folder. It's a good idea to remember where this file is saved so you can easily find it later if you want to import it into another calendar or keep it as a backup. After the download is complete, you're done. You've successfully exported your Google Calendar. From here, you can store the file safely, move it to another device, or use it to import your events into a different calendar service whenever you need. That's all you need to know to export your calendar in Google Calendar.